All right, we're down here in Florida and it's time for some lunch. Today I'm gonna have some more hamburger meat here. I got the ground beef chuck. Cook that in the air fryer. Then I got some seasoned air fryer red potatoes, onions, and sweet peppers. Looking good. See how it goes. 400 degrees for 10 minutes in the air fryer. Yum. Now it's time to put the hamburger patties in there and cook them up. Now we're gonna put the hamburgers in the air fryer for 400 degrees for about 8-9 minutes. But check your temperature on these because they need to be to 165 degrees, but some cook a little less, comes a little more. But I'm gonna do it for about 8 minutes and check it. And there it is. Got some nice hamburgers, potatoes. Lunch is bait and truck. Let's get it.